2024 was a fantastic year for birding on my end. I saw so many amazing birds this year, and honestly, I saw way more than I expected to see as well. We ended with 316 species on the year, most of those being in the West between California and Utah. One of them being in Canada. It was my only northern cardinal of the year. But also I met so many amazing people and started some amazing friendships this year as well. Our Discord channel grew quite a bit. We're up to over 50 members now, and it's been great getting to know people in that. I also made some more birding type friendships as well with my friend Hawken, which was absolutely incredible. Super happy to have him, and a whole bunch of other birding friends as well online. Also, I got to meet a lot of the community this year, and this video is going to highlight some of those people that I met along the way, which is probably the best part of this year in my opinion. As always, this video is going to feature every single species that I caught on camera in 2024. So we caught over 270 species on camera. That's nearly 100 more than last year. Last year we were at about 187. This year we ended with 270 plus birds. These are going to be featured in the order that I found them this year. So we're starting off with the black-billed magpie. That's the first bird that I saw, and we're ending with the Egyptian goose. That was the last bird I caught on camera. However, I did get multiple clips of a lot of these birds, so I picked the best ones. So the clips are out of order, but the birds are in order. That means some of the clips are gonna be really, really good, and in some cases I only caught one of the birds on camera the whole year, and those clips might not be as great. So stick around, grab a bowl of popcorn, enjoy these birds, and also stay tuned. At the end of this video, I have two special announcements that you're going to want to wait for, so wait till the end to see those announcements. Happy 2024, everyone.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? What can I take? Can I be your superhero? It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive. And this can be the end. I won't just settle for being your friend. Our broken bond is not too late to mend. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. She said, boy, I want you to walk right, so I can give you one more chance. You're only living in your damn head. Yes. Without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive. Without you by my side, I can't survive. Yeah. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
That's right, folks. Mythic Wilds dropped a couple weeks ago, the first episode. You might be wondering, what in the world is Mythic Wilds? Well, it is a video podcast here on YouTube, but also an audio podcast wherever you get your podcasts. And it dives into the history of outlaw animals. The first episode is on Old Ephraim, one of the last living grizzly bears in the state of Utah that entered mythical and legendary status through the stories told about him. So check out that video and that podcast if you'd like. It's a really super interesting story, and they last about 20 minutes, so it's perfect for your commute if you just want to listen to it on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Or if you want to watch the video, I also did a video podcast version for you as well. So definitely go check that out. Go subscribe on YouTube, and we're also on Instagram as Mythic Wilds. So go check those out. Links will be in the description, of course. And yes, second announcement, the Bright-Eyed Birding Shorts channel that some of you have subscribed to has been rebranded. The shorts are now on the main channel, but the Bright-Eyed Birding Shorts channel is now known as Bright-Eyed Birding Learn. Some of you may have noticed that I am no longer doing these informational videos about things like the red-winged blackbird, for example. A lot of you came here to this channel and subscribed from that video. I have moved those and separated that out to the new Bright-Eyed Birding Learn channel. So every week there will be an episode dropping on that channel that'll bring you educational content. Sometimes it'll feature a species, sometimes it'll talk about ID tips between super similar birds, and also there's going to be one more informational video that'll just teach you something cool about birding. The first episode drops today, so go check that out. Go subscribe to Bright-Eyed Birding Learn. We're talking about the different seed types because there's a whole bunch of them and what birds are attracted by those seeds, so you can better prepare your feeders for backyard birding. Again, thank you so much for joining me on this journey this year. We've seen so many birds together. The channel now has nearly 300 birds featured on the channel, and I really appreciate you guys, your support, you liking the videos, commenting on the videos, subscribing, watching the videos. You all have been amazing, and it's been really humbling to see the growth on the channel and how much y'all have enjoyed the videos. As always, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I hope to see you all next time in 2025 on Bright-Eyed Birding.